Got my uncle here digging a hole for my septic tank. Check out his YouTube video, or his YouTube channel I should say. Loves loud cars, I think. Taken me a while to dig that by hand.